Yo, welcome to Affiliate Bootcamp, where you're gonna make so much money, you ain't gonna know what to do with it.
Try to say something else.
Okay, different line. Welcome to Affiliate Bootcamp. Yo, welcome to Affiliate Bootcamp. We get paid every single day online from affiliate marketing. You already know what it is.
This feels forced.
It is forced. Isn't it supposed to? I mean, I'm not a douche, so this is very hard for me.
Like, why do you have the kettlebell?
It's a boot camp, that's why. You want me to put it down? We don't have to use it.
I've never seen you ever use that kettlebell.
So I work out every day.
Maybe just try to be yourself. I don't know. Like, just say something cool.
Yeah, you know what? This affiliate bootcamp stuff, this fake money, it's not for me.
No?
Mm-mm. It's fake. It's all fake. Everything you see online is all fake. God, it's not even my color. Over the time of the last 10 years, I've changed from what I thought I wanted to be successful, because you get all these gurus telling you and flashing things. I chose an alternative way. I didn't want a Lamborghini. I wanted a lifestyle where I could just be content with how much money I make and do cool things like hire my dad, hire my mom. And now we have a family business. That's my flex, I guess, which I guess isn't a flex at all, but it means something to me. Man, that whole guru thing, it's really just not for me. I mean, when I first wanted to make money online through affiliate marketing, I had a very humble goal. I just wanted to make sure I didn't have to work a 9-to-5 job that I didn't want to go to. I just wanted to work from home. But the crazy thing is, when I started, my affiliate marketing business grew to so much more than that. When my business started to grow, I saw massive potential. And one of the first amazing things I was able to do, I had no idea, I could make so much money that I could even retire my dad. And then I learned this thing about ads, that I could scale an offer and even go up to 6 figures in a day from one affiliate offer. More importantly than that, and probably the thing I'm most well known for, is building a system that basically can work without me. And so when I was living in a year in a van, I basically was able to only have Wi-Fi 1 to 2 days a week and run my business, scale it, and it grew. And I didn't have to be on my laptop looking at it 24/7. I just don't know what I'm going to call it.
What about smart affiliate business?
I don't think that'll work. Dude, I got it. Smart affiliate business. Genius.